Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Asan si Yuna? Sorry, hi kayo. Yes. Yun lang. Naiya ako eh. Hi, guys. A day in my life as a Zamasian student. First day edition. Fit check. Uniform check. So, ang first day natin ay homeroom lang. So, ang class natin is 7 to 9. I love it. I love the schedule. And then after that, we're gonna go around. We're gonna go everywhere. We can go with my friends. Yes. So, nagtatampo sila sa akin kasi sa block ko raw ako sasama at hindi sa kanila. I'm so sorry. Sabay kami ni Jairus na punta sa Uste. Kasi malapit lang siya sa bahay ko. Kapit-bahay ko lang siya. Kapit-bahay! Okay. See you there.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys. Our classes are done. And we're gonna go photo booth at the one.
2, 1.
Nagitulog ko? Ano kayo nililog sa 17 years? Ano ba?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yung mga kayo. Saba. Yung ako.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's your photo. 2, 1. Here's your photo. Click the retake button. Each photo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's your photo. Click the retake button. Each photo. After the upload is complete,
Hi guys. We're at New York and then I'm gonna unbox my freshest kit. U S T. First is pencil. Tapos may nakalagay na competence, compassion, commitment, and we're not that allowed to use that. And then there's a payong. Very Hufflepuff siya.
Yung sinabi ko kanina.
Yung payong, sabi mo yung notebook. Then there's utensils. And then yung notebook, na sinabi daw niyang Hufflepuff daw. Diba? Very Hufflepuff daw. Ayan. And then the most awaited tote bag. I was waiting for an ID lace, pero wala palang ID lace na kasama dito. Okay, that's it guys. Madami akong dala, so hindi ko magagamit ng tote bag. We're gonna rate New York later. Diba? I-picture na siya. First time maano. Uy, kasama ka sa Alab vlog.
Ako hindi.
Oo. Parang wala nga. Mabilis lang tayo nagsama eh. Ayan, kasama ka na.
Bakit? Pwede mo ako nakita ng alaw. Parang hindi kita nakita. Kaya nga pala. Nang gabi na. So, dito.
Here's our food from New York. So, this is the student meal, boneless, and the flavor is snow cheese. Snow cheese. What's this?
Beef stroganoff.
Beef what?
Beef stroganoff.
Stroganoff. And then red ice cheese. And then, what's that?
A steak with gravy.
Steak with gravy. Hey, what's that?
Garlic
Student meal.
parmesan.
Yes. Then red ice cream. And then Coke. And then what's that? Okay, bye. We're gonna eat. Gonna eat.
2,000 years later.
What's na? Ay, ito meron pa. How's your food?
Super masarap.
What can you say about your food?
Masarap siya. Na-off lang ako din sa kulay. Pero masarap siya.
Yes, super sarap. Yung wordings niya habang kumakain, ang sarap, guys. Babalik na ako dito. Oh my God, guys. Kapag papalabasin kami pag lunch, dito na ako. Well, how's your food?
Non-sugar.
What can you say about your food?
May shrimp.
Ang matigas. Gano'ng katigas?
Siguro mga
7 out of 10? Oh, tapos na siya. How's your food? Garlic parmesan. Sige, like sila.
Like, 2 likes. And a star. Paano gumawa ng star?
My food is nice.
Isa pa to. Ginajudge nyo yung review ko. Tapos ikaw, nice.
Ano ba masasabi ko sa food ko? I love the cheese, yes. Snow cheese. Recommended. Recommended. Medyo makalat lang, guys. Talagang nagsusnow.
Tingnan mo yung ano, asan yung strap ng camera mo? Ayan, no snow.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yes!
Kain kayo?
We're at? Tiger wings, yes. And then, this is garlic parmesan, and then that is creamy chili cheese. Yay! 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 Yes! Yes! Okay.